to know how I cook my Brussels sprouts. I got these at the 99-cent store, and they look pretty good here. So, go ahead and open them up. Tonight, even though we're boondocking, we got the generator going, and we're running out of daylight. He's gonna grill some pork chops. Yeah, y'all get to see Mr. Childers cook. So what I do is I put a coffee cup of water in the bottom. Okay. Put this little rack in there because there's a ridge right here. Put these in the pot. I spray them with some cooking spray. Okay. Lid on. And I cook it. There's a vegetable setting on here. It automatically goes to 2. If I wasn't in a hurry, we've been meeting and greeting today. We've just been having a really good time. So if I wasn't in a hurry, I also have this pot. And see, it's like a strainer, kind of a double boiler kind of thing. And put water in the bottom of it. Put your Brussels sprouts in here and cook them on the stove, on the burner. Or on the burner on my outside stove. But we ran out of time, we got the campfire going, we got people coming, so I just had to get this done. Brussels sprouts are done. We like to use the Irish butter, so I put a little bit of this in my bowl here. All right. Okay. Take my little tongs. See how nice and green these are. See how pretty that is? Ooh. Get them all out of there. Put the lid on. And swirl it around. There we go, all coated with some butter. A little salt and pepper. Swirl it around again. Alright. And the Brussels sprouts are ready. And that's all there is to it, folks. That's it. We'll see how Mr. Childers loves it. Well, y'all, look at that. Mr. Childers is cooking.
Something I do all the time. Don't tell them. If it's a grill, I'll cook it.
Yeah.
Fired hot. Woo!
All right.
Won't take that long now. A couple minutes.
Sweet.
There's a fireplace over here. Got the fire going.
Oh yeah. We're ready for the evening. Woohoo!
Here, Miss Lily. Miss Lily down there. Oh man. Well, we sure are. You got me on there? Hey y'all. Am I on there?
Yeah.
We feel so sad for you up there where it's kind of cold there in Tennessee and everywhere.
Yeah.
Nice out here, about 70 degrees. Well, right now it's about 68. Folks out here in Arizona, we've had nothing but just really nice people out here. And there's quite a few of them just from Montana, Canada, everywhere. Yeah, we're having a great time. Wish more folks would come on out, but hey, it's okay. We're heading down to Courtside here soon for the RTR, so maybe some of you will catch us there. So.
Yep.
But that'll be next week. We'll be heading down that way.
Whoop whoop.
We already hear it's kind of crowded, so. But there's plenty of rooms. What Bob the man says.
That's right.
So, you know us Bob guys. We kind of get it together.
There you go.
Call it like we see it.
That's it.
And he has experience in all that stuff down there. So this is our first time really on BLM land.
Where there's nobody hosting or any of that.
Nobody like in charge of you or nothing like that. And the people here have been really super nice and just give us all kinds of good information about the area, things to do and all that. And here they got what they call a white sheet. That's what they call it.
It's classified ads, people.
Classified ads. Back home we call it the circular. Local. But that thing's got all kind of good stuff in it. They got all kind of stuff going on around here in Parker and up, all kind of events for the people who are wintering over. I mean, it's a winter over paradise here. They got places for discounts on seniors for food, families. I mean, it's all kinds of stuff. But it's really nice. Really having a good time. Wish y'all were here with us.
Sure enough. Miss Lily, what do you want to say to everybody?
Very good.
Yeah, he had to taste it, y'all.
Mm-hmm. It has some good flavors.
Well, I told him I put the
warm weather flavors. Yeah.
You're just rubbing it in now.
Hey, life is good.
Y'all like his headlamp?
I'm good.
Oh my, looky there. Woohoo! Some over here.
One for you, 2 for me, 2 for me.
I don't want that. Okay, let's give you some Brussels sprouts, some candy.
Mm-hmm. Candy to the kid. Oh man. Mm-hmm.
So your cooking is good?
Not cooking is the best.
Ah!
Mm-hmm. I love these things. I'm like giving candy to the kids.
All right.
What are these things again? Brussels?
Brussels sprouts.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh.
So you like this diet?
Is this a diet? They're good.
All right.
All right, Miss Lily. I'll get you some, baby. Here.
Here. Y'all give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.